Did you hear it? Hey, you did it.
Fix its rust bucket today.
What's up, dudes? We're hanging out in the shop today. I haven't done a regular vlog for a little while because if you're following, fix this camera. We're pretty deep in the El Camino build right now, but today, fixing up this little Subi. Steve came by and we got to do some, I don't know where the camera is on this thing, where to look. Anyways, we got to do some patchwork.
How much rust is here? Start cutting it.
So, this is what we're talking about. We're gonna get rid of that. A few other little spots just like that. Right? We got this.
Yeah, we got this.
Step one, break all the plastic clips.
Yeah, we're on our way.
Goes one.
Yeah. I brought a kit there.
Kit of clips.
Kit of clips.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, buddy. Doors loose, everything's loose, snow free.
So I guess the plan is to chop a big ass chunk out of here. Redo all this like a dentist.
Yeah. Stop are built here.
That far back, yeah?
Well, whatever.
We should check how big that sheet metal is first.
Yeah. Anyway, we can go to here for sure.
Yeah.
Halfway would be better. Yeah, maybe here. That'll be good. What, 2.5 feet here?
Yeah.
It's gonna be tough like near the, I don't know if we're gonna have to take the fucking bottom part of the fender off, you know?
Oh, yeah. Maybe.
It's getting tight.
Maybe. Let's get some sheet metal. Ooh. $1 million Canadian Tire sheet metal.
Like 7 inches.
Hey?
28 inches.
28 inches. I got 3 of them, so. Fuck that piece. Yeah. That piece is almost the same, like, it's almost as wide as you want it to do it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's like a little bit more. But...
So we'll chop that piece off, measure it up, and bring it over next door. And...
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, so we gotta completely replace this big chunk of sheet metal. So, like we were just saying, we're gonna measure it up, chop it out, and then take the new piece over next door to my dad's shop. He's got all the good tools to work with, and then we'll bend it on the brake and hopefully get like the perfect size.
Let's switch it up.
You don't say here goes nothing. Potentially, it's a car.
Yeah.
I guess it cuts really easy.
Huh?
Let's cut through real easy.
Yeah. Not too solid, not too solid.
And you get a cut along the door line?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should be deep enough to get both of them, like both layers, you know?
Hmm?
I think both layers are gonna come off. Like,
Yeah. Yeah, I might as well.
Nothing to it but do it.
They really want these to rust.
El Cancer. Alright, now we're off for a little walk, going over to my dad's shop to over there get this get this metal bent and then sliced up. We're gonna use some of his tools because he's way better equipped than I am. So here we go. Cool.
Huh?
So cool.
Fun.
Let me get the door for me. Got my hands full. Showing off that shop. Another El Camino. Okay. So this is my dad's workshop. Sorry, I'm having a little bit of trouble with the camera right now, but as you can see, he's a little bit better equipped than I am in the bodywork section, and he's got his music going on in the background, so I'm gonna have to be careful about recording and not getting copyrighted. But that's what we're gonna use right next to Steve right there. That's the tin brake. It'll cut, it'll bend, and hopefully that's what we need.
It's perfect too. It's manual. It's like not even a big machine. Or
Yeah.
you know,
Worst case, I guess I straight.
pretty You're coming on the, yeah, there's a line. So you gotta like straighten it out, push it over this way. Yeah.
Now,
Like on the blade basically, right?
yeah.
Yeah, I'm almost there. Huh?
Okay, you good?
Yeah, I'm good. What's that then?
That's the lip on the bottom.
Right. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much 90, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one I don't think it's not gonna go quite 90.
No.
You see behind it all? See how much it's shooting up.
Like, yeah, that's more like V, you know? Not like this. It's got kind of like a round in it too, you know?
Yeah.
At the same time.
Okay, so we measured, we cut, we bent, but now we're gonna go size it up just to be sure, because you know, you can never be too sure. Does it measure 100 times and cut once, or you usually end up cutting twice?
Cut it one time.
Yeah. So there's a piece so far. Not bad bending.
See what happens?
Better than the vice grips and the hammer
Yeah.
and the vice.
Use a lot less body work.
So we're gonna size it up, see if it fits, and then probably end up back in there and try to bend it again, and as many times as it takes. Yeah. Shit. Not far off.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm gonna cut this later.
Yeah. What do you think, Boo? Pretty good job? thank you. No sticks in the garage. So, we gotta rebend it a bit, or not even?
I think around it now we'll be able to do ourselves.
Okay.
Pretty well done. Can't really beat that.
Right on.
Be able to like curve it in ourselves.
Yeah, we can massage it.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, round 2. Well, she's loud, but I don't know. She'd rather stay outside and bark. All right, round 2. So it fit pretty good. We got to do one little minor bend in it, and it's gonna be okay. And then, since we were all excited about it, we forgot the rest of the sheet metal here, so we gotta cut that other square piece off, and then we're good to go. As you can see, first part is doing up the inside, so we have something to weld to, something to box it off, and Letty's outside freaking out. What is your problem? You want?
Okay.
All right.
Try to reduce the amount of rust we get this winter there. You good?
We got the inside piece on, put some primer in there, put some paint, because that's going to be all sealed up. Won't be able to get to it later, so to protect it from the winters we have here in Canada. It was definitely a good idea. So now we got to try to box off the rest of it, the piece that we bent to kind of match the rocker that was there before. So we're gonna have to go a little bit by little bit and see if hopefully it goes in there nice and straight. Steve's feeling confident we're gonna be okay. All right, time to weld stuff. I'm gonna have to put the camera down and leave you with one camera angle for the whole thing, but we're gonna get this on. Action. So now what he's doing is he's welding those two pieces that we made in the other shop, welding them together, holding them together with those little vice grips, make it good solid, and it makes everything rigid, nice, good, sealed, complete. And that way he's got a new rocker ready for the winter. He's got a little bit more body work to do on it, but we're getting there. It's just about done. It's gonna be solid and rust free. His welding is done, the piece is locked in, it's solid, looking good, looking factory. And so now he's just gonna hit it with the flapper disc to clean it up a little bit, because you got some body work to do. Whenever you do a job like this, whether you're changing or patching fenders, whatever it may be, you're always gonna have to throw a little bit of Bondo at it, no matter how good of a tin brake or whatever that thing was we used before. But anyways, that's gotta be done still too, so he's gonna take care of that tomorrow morning. But right now, like I said, flapper disc, and we'll check it out, and pretty much got the job done. mission complete. Job is done. Do you have anything to add before you drive away with this lovely makeover you've done?
No. Well, I'm very happy I came here and got your help.
No problem.
It went super well. You only had to measure 3 times and cut once.
Yep. Good. Everything lined up good. So yeah, still got to do a bit of body work on there, a little Mondo work, but pretty much final product lines up good. Everything, it's good.
Yeah. Well done.
Cleared nicely. This off-roader of yours. Well guys, this is good night. This is the end of the night. Mission accomplished. You guys rock the fits, and until next time when we finish it off, we'll do more. Just a few more things to do in this thing, so he's got to come by again. Just ran out of time today. So that's the end of the show. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, there's an El Camino video coming on every Friday. So keep tuning in, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. Peace out.